In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Chipotle discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Chipotle discount promo codes. Right here, select the very first website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to receive a free gift on your next order, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and you can copy this code and use it on your next purchase in order to get a free gift. Also, going back to our main search on Google, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com right here that also has some promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this free challenge promo code, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the code that you can use on your next purchase in order to get this free challenge. So this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.